Hi, my name is John Nemeyer, and I'm here on the campus in Salt Lake City, Utah, at Stephen Henniger College. I wanted to talk to you today briefly about how to market and sell to women. It's a completely different field, as you know, marketing a product to a woman. She's looking for something very, very different. You want to first find out what group of women are you marketing towards. You have to be very specific in your considerations of age, demographics, social status, race, those sort of things. A good way to start is use a test group. Once you do have your market, develop a test group. Get a bunch of women together in a small test group. Test your product with them. Let them do a survey. Develop a survey for them. Let them take a look at it. See what the product is. See if they like it, dislike it. Develop many questions on your survey. There are several surveys online you could already use. And that way you get a general feel about the market, about what their feel is, what their likes and dislikes are. And then you can think about the introduction of that to the market. It would be best to use several test groups, try it several times, be careful with your research, get online and do as much research as you can also. For any more information on this topic or any other business topic, you can contact me directly at my email, jniemira@gmail.com.